In this video, I will show you my biggest secrets in fish farming. That is making me and those who are aware of that secret to produce their fish without much stress, without frequent water change, and the fish are always healthy and growing faster. And in fact, with that secret, you can even stock more fish in a limited or small fish pond, and the fish will be active and doing well. And that secret is the recirculating aquaculture system. If you are hearing this for the first time, the recirculating aquaculture system is made out of filtration and aeration system, where the filtration system is removing the insoluble particles such as the waste of the fish, like the feces, and the leftover feed under the bottom of the pond. And the aeration system adds oxygen into the pond, making the water to have enough oxygen with less harmful bacteria. The aeration system also breaks down the high ammonia, which is toxic to nitrate, which is very important for the fish. And this, we are able to produce fish year round without complaining of water, because you use same water to produce the fish within months, or sometimes to even to harvest without changing the water. And this is very important. Now, this is the system working here. We just set it up yesterday with this entire setup that we have done. Now, this is the filter system we talk about. The waste come into this container. Then there's a filter here. It gets filtered for the first layer or first filtration. Then there's a submersible pump that takes it into this container again for second filtration before the water drops into the pond. And it is recycled that way. That's why I call it recirculating aquaculture system. It is recycled, cleaning and reusing that same water. And this is the aeration system. This adds oxygen. Now, you see how the water is moving. This is submersible pump that circulates the water, and circulation alone is adding oxygen. And now it is made of venturing way, and then oxygen is also pulled out from outside and push it through. Listen to this sound. Now that is the air it is blowing outside and pushing it through the pond, and it is forming the bubbles, and it also circulates the water. And you can turn it around. Watch out something. I've not turned this way. It's going this way. I can turn it with direction. And now, if I put it there, or if I put it this way, the water is circulating. And for that matter, it's adding oxygen and breaking down the high ammonia. Now, this system is a unique system, and it is not common, especially in Ghana here. It is not common. Yes. So, if you contact us, we can come and do it for you wherever you are. We'll teach you how to make sure it's run properly, and then you not have the stress of changing the water. Or if you want to learn it yourself, we have taken our time and we have made a practical course, DIY protection aeration system. That is, do it yourself, how to make this your own, how to store the material and everything, practical. And the course is also discussion. Of course, it is a paid course. You have to pay, and then you enroll in that course, and you learn. Now, not only this that we provide. So assume you have your pond already or your farm running, we can come and set this up for you. But if you don't also have your farm and you want us to set up a complete fish farm for you, including this, we'll do that for you. We provide you with the pond, the juveniles or the fingerlings, the aquaculture system, a bag of feed, scooping nets, training, and all these things. We'll set it up for you and show you how to run the farm successfully. So please, if you have found value in this video, please like, comment, then subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.